To be good at what we do, I mean to be really, really good at our jobs, what does it take? What is required? Well, the first basic is this. To learn and know our specific business or industry as good as anybody else. To truly understand our specific enterprise or company inside and out. To be very aware of the competition. To consistently deliver strong results. To achieve goals. To overachieve goals. That's the baseline, right? Unfortunately, I believe sometimes we become disengaged or disenchanted at work because we leave it at just that, as if that's good enough. Well, so-and-so achieved their numbers, they're just fine. But I believe to be really, really good, there are 4 additional essentials. I'll keep it simple and short. First, be ethical. If you're gonna play the game, play it well, play it honestly. Because then when you win, and you will win, people are assured that that victory was secured because of a strong skill set and because of your commitment. 2, be trustworthy. Be the individual that people seek out because they trust your advice. Because they know that you hold confidences, because they know that you consistently deliver on commitments. 3, develop, nurture, and sustain strong, positive professional relationships. Every individual that we run into, be they inside the company or outside of the company, has great value. Nurture and sustain those valuable relationships. And the 4th one, the most powerful of all, and it's this: be a decent human being that makes the world a better place. No one ever said in a eulogy, Bobby was an outstanding individual because Bobby delivered 13 consecutive quarters of double-digit increases. But they do say, Bobby was an outstanding individual because of the impact, the positive impact, among many, many lives. Because of the positive impact to my life. Because this individual truly, through their personal life and their trade, made the world a better place. So, business basics. Be ethical. Be trustworthy. Develop strong professional relationships. Be a decent human being that makes the world a better place. And if you do that, it's not a matter of just being really, really good. Actually, that's pretty great. If you enjoyed this message, please hit that like button, please share and subscribe. And if you're interested, I offer coaching. My contact information is right there in the description. Thank you.